Gotta get these nuts off. 1, 2, and 1 on this side. To get those wheel hub bolts off, this is a 16mm swivel. I got all 3 of them pushed back out the way. Might be a 10mm. Look at this. What is this? Look at this gook on there. I just pulled this out. Look at that. It may explain why I'm getting my ABS signal. I cleaned this up a few days ago and drove, and look at that. So that means something's going on inside the hub. And this little washer here. I can't even see what this is. This is old. Number 36. I don't know, but I have my heavy duty ratchet. I'll take and put it between the crack here. Down here. Oh, came right off. I got my anti-seize piece here. Just going to take some and put it in here. I'll get this right. I don't like these nuts, so I'm gonna switch it out. Switched out my boat. I don't like these. Unplugging my wire harness here. That one out. And pop this one here. This is what it is. Yeah, I think I just put up on this tab and I got it out. Just gonna reroute this one. It came with my hub. I'll be good to go. I'm going to take and spray my connector here with some electrical spray, parts cleaner. Let it dry there. Got everything reconnected. Where it's supposed to go. comes with the ABS sensor. I got them at a pair. So this is my kit I borrowed from AutoZone to pull off your hub. I did not need it. This screws onto your hub. Go there. And this is the hammer. It's pretty heavy weight. You pull back on this and it apply pressure, pulling the hub back. But I had it on standby in case I needed it. Diversity 2, it's late. Well, not late, but it's dark. But once I finish installing my front hubs, all of my warning lights went out. My traction light, ABS light, and my brake light. All three of them disappeared. Once I installed and turned my ignition back on, everything went away. So apparently those front two hubs were bad, or at least one of them was bad, and it was causing this problem. So this was my case. But there you go. Everything disappeared. All my warning lights, my ABS light, and my traction light, and my brake light at the same time disappeared.